Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I am going to present you a very important topic. So guys, if you are a blog writer, so you know this thing that if there is any copyrighted content in your blog, that then it is not good for your website, and it is also not good for the monetization, because Google AdSense will never approve your account if there is any copyrighted content. So it is sometimes necessary that whenever uh, you are going to post, you should check if there is any plagiarism in the article or not. So now I'm going to tell you how you can check plagiarism, how much percent is your article unique, and everything about copyrighted content, how much it is or not. So what you have to do, you have to go uh, to the Google search engine and search here for plagiarism checker. So just write here plagiarism uh, checker. You will find itself. If you don't find, then you can type here checker. So plagiarism checker. So guys, there you will find so many results like small essay tools, Grammarly, plagiarism detector. So whatever 2 3 4 results you are getting, all are good, but you can choose this one, a small essay tools, because it is a really trust worthy tool. So I am going to tell you how you can do this here. So here you will find options like you can copy your content and you can paste it here, and you can also upload your file if you have downloaded it. You can also paste a URL, and so now I'm going to check my content, how much copyrighted content is there. So simply, to do this, I will go to my blog and I will pick an article from there. So um, so this is my account, and so ping tools, this is my website p.yob.tech. You should visit it because there are so many tools like what should be your ideal weight, what is your lucky color, what's your sun sign, and so many calculators. So, and the main thing is work from home jobs. You can find, if you are looking for work from home jobs, you can find here. It's a wonderful platform to find all work from home jobs. So now I'm going to check here. I'm going to copy the URL here, like this one. Okay, so get link. I've copied the link. Now I am going back to that page. I am going to paste a URL here. Okay, now clicking on check plagiarism. So guys, to check, you first you will have to uh, tell here that you are not any robot. So now I am going to check it. I have clicked on check plagiarism. So it will take some time to check. You are watching that my text is automatically pasted here because I have given my URL. Now you will have to wait for uh, almost 1 minute, or it may take lower than 1 minute. So it is just going to show the result. as you will find that there will be more percentage of plagiarism than uniqueness, because this is the article that I pasted here after publishing it on my main blog that is related to tech and work from home. Was the that p.u.tech was the second blog where I again pasted this article, just because to help those people who are coming on p.u.tech. So it will show plagiarism here. So while you are watching, there is 69% plagiarism and 31% unique. So if but it should be like 70% unique. There is opposite, because the thing I did opposite. I am going to show you that I this article was already published on my second site, that is www.youtube.tech. Guys, what happens if we publish article on main blog, then we can publish on subdomain, that is p.youtube.tech. So this is my main blog, and those all articles are also here. You will find all articles. So but if you have not pasted it or published your article anywhere, you are going to publish first time that there should be 70% uniqueness, then you can think that it's worthwhile to post. So guys, this is the way you can check plagiarism, and this is really wonderful for your website quality and monetization. So that's it. I hope you understood. I hope you liked the video. I will meet you in my next video, and bye bye. Take care.